Welcome! In this video, we will look at the process to use the existing license of tally.erp 9 in Tally Prime. You need to have a perpetual tally.erp 9 license with a valid TSS subscription in order to upgrade to Tally Prime. If TSS is expired, you will not be able to use tally.erp 9 license in Tally Prime. To use an existing license, you have to upgrade from tally.erp 9 to Tally Prime directly. Double-click the Tally Prime Setup exe. Here, you have the choice to either upgrade the existing tally.erp 9 or install Tally Prime separately. If you have single instance of tally.erp 9 running, you will be directly taken to Update process. In case you have multiple instances of tally.erp 9 installed, select the tally.erp 9 installation in the list and press Enter. In the Update tally.erp 9 screen, click Update. An update successful message is displayed. Click Start Tally Prime to start the application. Tally Prime will start in license mode. If tally.erp 9 was an educational mode at the time of update, Tally Prime will start in the education mode. If you have an existing licensing with valid TSS, you can reactivate the license in just a couple of clicks and use Tally Prime in the licensed mode. We understand that you may want to continue to use tally.erp 9 even after upgrading to Tally Prime. Tally Prime supports this using the new version of the Tally Gateway Server version 11.0, which supports both tally.erp 9 client as well as Tally Prime client simultaneously. This coexistence is supported for Tally Prime and tally.erp 9. Let us just see how the license is upgraded and shared. Install Tally Prime separately in a different folder in the same system as tally.erp 9. Tally Prime will start in education mode. Click Reactivate License and provide your TallyNet ID and password to reactivate. You will get the license reactivation message. Once the license is reactivated in Tally Prime, tally.erp 9 goes into education mode. You can now share the Tally Prime license with tally.erp 9. Get the gateway server details with port number from Tally Prime. Start tally.erp 9. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus L or click License and Services panel in the bottom pane. Click F12 Configure Existing License button. The Tally Prime Gateway server machine and port details are listed. Select the same. Select Yes in message displayed to use the same license. Tally.erp 9 will restart in licensed mode. If you are a multi-user and you want to configure your tally.erp 9 from a different machine, you can give the machine name and port of server machine where Tally Prime Gateway server is running. We have simplified the licensing process of Tally Prime by enabling you to use the existing license in a few simple steps. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.